Hello students, today we will solve practice set 1. Question number 1. Look at the figure alongside and name the following. What? At first look at the figure. Here given the figure and name the followings and tell the name of these. Here some first number question is collinear points. 3 as a definition, 3 and more points in a straight lines are called collinear points. In this figure, point M and point O, point T in one straight line. It means it is collinear point. Next, point N, point O and point R. These are also in a straight line. That means it also the collinear points. You can write point collinear points, point M, point O, point T, point N and point R. Next number question is range. The definition of range is a straight line start from one point is called range. It means here our line start from O, OP, ON, OT, OS, OR and OM. These are range. It means here is O is origin. You can range O, P. You can denote the ray, the symbol of ON, just like you can give the symbol O, T, O, S, O, R and O, M. Third number questions, line segment. Line segment means if we draw a straight line, on that lines imagine any two point, that is line segment. Here in this line OM is line segment, NR is segment, OP is a segment, OT is a segment and OT is a segment. You can write O, P, OP and next point is ON. ON line segment you can denote just like ON. You can write also segment OT, segment OS, segment OR, segment OM, segment MT and segment RN. These are line segment. Fourth number question is lines. Here is, see the figure, these are two straight lines. It means the straight lines is M, T and RN. Here only two straight lines. You can write line M, T and line R, N. You can denote the line just like. This is the symbol of line. Next number question, second number question is, see here, question number, write the different names of the line. Here given a line and tell the different name of lines. The 2 points in a straight line is called line. Here 2 point is AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD and AD. Yes, in this straight line so many lines. You can write line AB, line AC. Here look at the picture. AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD and AD. These are lines on that line. Question number 3. These lines are on line L. This line L. You can write line L. Next question. Solve the next question. Question number 3. Match the following. Here are given the some figures and here given the name of the figure. Already in last video you understand the constructions of geometry. A straight line, those have 2 arrows. It is called line. Next, a straight line have 2 points are called line segment. And here this is plane and this one, a line go on a straight line in one direction is called ray. It means this is ray. First number is match with this is line, yani C. Second number, this is line segment D. Third number, plane. And fourth number, this is ray. You can write first number is match with C. Second number match with D. Third number match with B. And fourth number match with A. Are you understand? Next question, question number 4. At first read the question. Observe the figure below. Name the parallel lines, the concurrent lines and the point of concurrence in the figure. First one, parallel lines. Parallel line means what? Those lines which lie in the same plane but do not intersect are said to be parallel lines. Concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means those lines are intersect to each other in one line. These lines are called concurrent lines. And point of concurrence, those point are intersect to each other, that point is called point of concurrence. First number, parallel lines. In this figure, parallel lines line B, line M and line Q. These are parallel line because these lines are not intersect to each other. Next number, line A and line P. These two also parallel lines because these two lines not intersect to each other. Second point is concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. Lines. Concurrent lines means, see the figure here, line A, line B and line C intersect a point A. It means this one concurrent lines, and here line P and line Q intersect to each other on point D. It means these one also concurrent lines. You can write concurrent point lines, line A, line B and line C are concurrent point on line AB. So line AC. Second number, line P and line Q are concurrent lines on line AD. Third point is points of concurrence. Points of concurrence, here line A, B, C intersect on point A, line M intersect the point C and line P, Q intersect the point D. It means point A, point C and point D are concurrent points. Points of concurrence, you can write points of concurrence. You can write point A, point C and point D. For watching. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.